Hey folks, what's up? If you are confused from where to start with the After Effects, you are at the right place. In this tutorial of After Effects Basics, we're going to be looking at the interface of After Effects. So basically, this is how we should be looking at when you first open the After Effects. This is called the standard workspace. Basically, it is very complicated software. There are so many things floating over the interface. Maybe you will feel it irritating, but believe me, it's very organized and actually easy to handle. And it's alright if you don't know what every single icons and the panels do, what they do, and what are the purpose of every single panels. We are not gonna be looking at that right now. We'll do it in a different tutorial. But basically, we are gonna look at what you can do with the interface of After Effects. So as you can see, so many panels around here: the composition panel, the project panel, effects and control panel, the timeline panel, effects and presets, and so on. So many things around here. You can resize any of the panel by dragging your cursor between the panel. If the line is horizontal, you can drag up and down to resize them, and if it's vertical, you can drag left and right to resize it. And if you move your cursor over the junction, you can actually resize more than one at a time. And you can see that some panels are with tab over the other panel, like this audio and info. You can just click on them and change in between it. And if you want the panel to be float over the interface to work faster, you can hit the command key and drag the panel, and now you have the panel floating over the interface. And you can just click on the frame and drag it back over the polygons and wherever you want it. If you will drag the frame out of the panel, it will create its new panel on its own, and you can drag it back actually. And other thing, you can see that the project panel is not appearing itself right now, so you can see this little scroll bar here. You can scroll it to the left, and there is our project panel. So it happens sometimes. If you won't be able to see the other tab, After Effects will provide you this scroller automatically. And if you want to close any unuseful panel, you can just simply click on this close icon, and you can see now it's gone. For example, this. And if you want them back, you can go to the windows and click on any of the window you have closed before. As you can see, in my case, effects and preset and preview. And if you want your interface to be started again and wanna undo all the changes you have made, you can just go to the workspace and reset standard. Discard all the changes. As you can see, we're back with the default interface. And if you made some changes and you want it to be as a whole new interface, that's easy to do. Just go to the workspace again and hit new workspace, name it, and now it's done. If you can see, this is our standard workspace. I will set it standard, and when I go to the test, the changes applied automatically. So and one last thing, if you want to maximize any of the panel, if you hit the tilde key right over the tab and to the left of number 1 key on your keyboard, it will maximize the panel whatever cursor is happen to be over. As you can see, if I want to zoom in the timeline and hit that again to restore it. And basically that's it with the interface. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Goodbye.